How to read 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander PIN code from HFM using OBDSTAR G3. Hi everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Bobji Motors, your ultimate destination for all things automobile diagnostics and programming tools. Now, before we jump under the hood, here's a quick disclaimer you should know. Everything in this video is purely for educational and informational purposes. We're here to guide enthusiasts, learners, and professional technicians alike. All images, clips, and references are used under fair use guidelines for review and learning, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer instructions and local laws whenever you're working on vehicles. Now, a quick question to get you thinking. Have you ever struggled with programming a lost key for a modern Mitsubishi Outlander and wondered how to retrieve the PIN code safely without risking the ECU? If yes, then you're in the right place, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to read the 28-digit PIN code from the HFM module on a 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander proximity model with all keys lost. Before we begin, I need your support. Most of you watch without subscribing, but subscribing only takes one click and helps our channel grow immensely. So, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and stay till the very end. Here's a fun challenge for all of you. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours. And don't forget to hype this video using the option in the comment section. It's free, easy, and an awesome way to help the video reach more enthusiasts. If you find this content valuable, consider showing some love with a super thanks too. Alright, let's dive into the procedure. Sometimes, OBDSTAR fails to bypass the Mitsubishi Outlander 2021 PIN code when using the Nissan 40-pin cable. In such cases, you have two options. Either purchase the PIN code or read the full 28-digit PIN code directly from the HFM module. Today, we'll focus on the second option, which is essential if all keys are lost. Tools required: OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 or X300 Pro4, OBDSTAR RH850 C4-06 adapter, MP001 programmer, 12 VDC power supply. The first step is to ensure your Mitsubishi immobilizer software is updated to the latest version. Once that's done, navigate through the OBDSTAR menu as follows. Select Mitsubishi Manual, select Model China Outlander Proximity 2021 Up Red PIN code. Next, select the HFM processor MCU. For this model, you'll need R7F7010193. Make sure to carefully check all instructions and wiring diagrams before proceeding. Now, remove the HFM module from the vehicle. This step requires attention because any damage can compromise your ability to read the PIN. Once the module is out, solder the C4-06 adapter directly to the HFM module. After soldering, connect the C4-06 adapter to the MP001 programmer, and then link everything to the OBDSTAR G3. Important note: always use the original decryption cable. Do not modify its length or use third-party substitutes, as this can cause connection failures and prevent you from reading the PIN code. Once all connections are secure, begin reading the PIN code. In this demonstration, the OBDSTAR G3 successfully reads the full 28-digit PIN code from the HFM module. With this code in hand, you now have everything needed to program all keys lost for the vehicle safely and efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved the PIN code from a 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander HFM module. Thanks for watching till the very end. A huge shout out to my regular viewers and subscribers. You're the reason Bobji Motors continues to grow and produce high-quality content. If you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. It's free for you, but makes a massive difference for this channel. Remember our challenge: 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in 24 hours. Drop your thoughts, questions, or just hype this video in the comments. It helps us climb the YouTube leaderboard. If you really enjoyed the content, a super thanks goes a long way in supporting our work. Before we wrap up, here's the answer to the question I asked at the beginning. Yes, retrieving the PIN code from the HFM module is the safest and most reliable method when all keys are lost, avoiding unnecessary costs, and ensuring you follow proper diagnostic procedures. In my opinion, Mastering these advanced procedures gives any technician a significant edge in the field. Here's a fun tip for you. Always label and store your original decryption cables carefully. They're crucial for high-security modules like the HFM, and losing or damaging them could delay any programming job. Once again, thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep learning, and happy diagnosing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype this video to help us reach new heights.